Have you ever learned English expressions, but when you talk to native speakers, they use completely different ones? Today, you'll learn 10 daily English expressions that people actually use today. And don't worry, you'll hear them in short, natural conversations, so they are easy to understand and remember. So stay with me until the end, because expression number 8 is one that native speakers use all the time.
Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
One, no worries. No worries. Meaning, it means it's okay or don't worry about it. Sorry I replied to your message so late.
No worries. I just saw it too.
Oh, good. I thought you might be waiting.
Nope, no worries at all.
Two, sounds good. Sounds good. Meaning, I agree, or that's a good idea.
Do you want to grab coffee after work?
Sounds good.
Maybe around 6?
Yeah, sounds good to me. 3, I'm good. I'm good. Meaning, I'm fine. I don't need anything. I'm okay.
Do you want more food?
I'm good, thanks. I'm already full.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good. 4, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Meaning, wait a moment or just a second.
Hey, can you help me with this document?
Give me a sec. I'm finishing this email.
Sure.
Five. That works. That works. Meaning, that time or plan is okay for me.
Can we meet tomorrow at 10?
Yeah, that works.
Great.
See you tomorrow then. Six. I get it. I get it. Meaning, I understand.
Sorry I can't join the trip this weekend. I have a lot of work.
Yeah, I get it.
Maybe next time.
No problem. 7. My bad. My bad. Meaning, it's my mistake, or I'm sorry. Hey, this is the wrong file.
Oh, my bad.
No problem.
I'll send the correct one.
8. Fair enough. Fair enough. Meaning, that's reasonable, or I understand your point. I'm not buying that phone. It's too expensive.
Really? It has great features.
Yeah, but I want to save money.
Fair enough.
9. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. Meaning, I haven't decided.
Are you coming to the party tonight?
I'm not sure yet.
Why?
I might have to work late. "10. That makes sense. That makes sense." Meaning, I understand your explanation. The traffic was terrible today. That's why I was late.
Ah, that makes sense.
It took me almost an hour.
Wow.
Today you learned 10 natural English expressions. No worries. Sounds good. I'm good. Give me a sec. That works. I get it. My bad. Fair enough. I'm not sure yet. That makes sense. These expressions are very common in everyday English conversations. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using one of these expressions in the comments below. I'll read your sentence, and I'll be happy to check it for you. And if you want to speak English more naturally, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and keep practicing with us. See you in the next lesson!